All right, so we're gonna do some tricep pull downs. All right. So bend your knees, and I want you to just move your elbow. Look up. Oh, you can pull out too if you want to.
Pause.
Pause. So you can separate at the bottom. So bend your knees slightly. All the way down, nah. So, like this. Full extension. Like this. Keep your arms straight. Yeah. And you can pull them apart too if you want to. You can pull them outwards. All right, so on the next, I'm gonna take some of the weight off. Take some of the weight off, right? And when you get to the bottom, pull out, separate them.
Yo, my nigga.
Yo, the way you said it was crazy.
But keep your arms straight. And if you look up, for some reason, if you look up, you can feel it in your triceps more. I don't know what that's about, but it works. Maybe just cause your posture. But, so look, without grabbing it. But keep your arms straight, so like this. Yeah, there we go. Look up. Oh, you feel it in your tricep more. You look up. This is crazy. Your posture is when you look up. I think that's why. I don't know. I'll look in the book and figure it out. All right. So on your workout journey, right? What has been your greatest challenges? It's been like the hardest thing to accomplish, or is it going up in weight? I know you run the lake every weekend. Is it getting to a quicker number, or like what goals you're trying to reach has been really challenging for you?
Well, I would say the most challenging thing is continuously being motivated at the times that's available, because like I have so much that I'm doing and I aspire to do, to where I have to
come back into the show.
Continuously be conscious about finding the time to do the necessary things. So I would say continuously being motivated, and because sometimes when set like a particular schedule, workout schedule, there may be other things that happen in life that you may need to tend to, or you may need to take a break for a while or something, and then continuously coming back to just remain motivated to keep doing it can sometimes be a little challenging. So I think that's the main thing, because if I was able to do that, then all of the results that I would trying to see would be coming like a lot sooner and stuff.
Well, have you thought of a game plan to kind of like get you through that?
Well, for me, my opinion, the game plan is to, just continuously be mindful of my age, and that, I'm getting to a particular point to where, I'm I need to continuously do the necessary things for longevity. So that means like eating right. And, you know, it's not necessarily like planning for anything. It's like more so just continuously implementing that change in the lifestyle. So, you know, lifestyle change type. But, you know, once I get to that point to where, you know, mentally I'm ready to, you know, do all of the things to, you know, be consistent and, you know, make sure I'm seeing, you know, all of the results, then I'll be able to implement whatever time periods, you know, consistently that, you know, I have on working out, and that's gonna, you know, help me to get the results.
We're gonna get to the next workout. Make sure y'all, I mean, shit, we've been in here for a minute, so make sure you guys click on other videos. I'm not gonna ask y'all to like and subscribe, none of that. Just watch the videos, learn something.